Your bills and your financial situation keeping you up at night and you can't sleep and you're overwhelmed? Listen up. I completely understand where you're at. I have been there and it doesn't feel good to be in that situation. Guys, I went into medical debt, which then turned into credit card debt, and I didn't know what I was going to do. I mean, I was already barely getting by paycheck to paycheck, being an ice skating coach, and I was coaching like 20, 30 hours a week, and I wasn't able to do it anymore because of the back stuff that I had to go through. I could only stand in my skates maybe 10 minutes at a time, and I was losing clients fast. Wasn't good. I knew there had to be a way that I could make money working from home, like whether that be in promoting products, work for a company. And I came across Amy, who told me about the six-figure blueprint that forever changed her life and is now changing my life. I have now learned the skills I need to be successful online, making an income, learning to make daily pay with this. Not only am I learning how to make daily pay online, and this is helping me get out of my credit card debt, but guys, I know my Christmas can be different this year. I know your Christmas can be so different this year. If you learn these same skills and change your financial situation too, where you don't ever have to be in that predicament again, because you can change it. Guess what, guys? There's not only like a six-figure blueprint that you can be a part of, but there is a training starting this week, which is six figures in 6 months that our mentor is putting on at such an affordable price. That could forever change your life. And I highly recommend it for people that can relate to this piece of content, because you're in that situation too. Comment info below because I want to get you the details.